Yeah, man.
No idea what size to pick.
Just grab one, you know. They're supposed to be universal, so you know, adjust as needed.
Sullivan, I do have one sleeveless shirt. I should have brought that.
I mean, I'm gonna go shirtless by the time I'm on the water, bud.
I might do the same.
Work on my tan. Oh yeah, this one was made for me. It's already set perfect. Hell yeah. All right. That guy, that guy, that guy. Everyone's got what they need.
So what do you do?
All right. Sure, yeah. If as long as it's fitting good, it's fitting good. That's all it takes. Yeah, you got the Pelican. Nice. I have one almost exactly like it at the house. But I'm here to let you know you're in for a fight.
No, they'll be there.
You brought a sit inside and you don't have the body seal, you're gonna sink.
Nah, it'll be fine. It's got holes in the bottom.
Yeah, there you go. Alright, so you got to pick your kayak out of this pile. Try to find one that doesn't have a broken strap, because you know that's gonna suck. Ugh. Hell yeah. Whoa. Need a push?
How about I say, you want to give me a kick?
Yeah, man. You ready?
Yes, sir.
All right. Hell yeah. Good times. Good times, bro. I like that guy. Yes, it looks like I have 2 functional straps. Come on.
Wrap it down. We only need one for this, I think.
Ugh. Good Lord. Perfect. I'm strapped up. Hell yeah. You guys can call me a lesbian because I'm strapped.
Stop it.
All right, fellers, I'll see you at the bottom.
Stop. I want to go with you. I don't know if that's good. No, that's why I'm trying to.
Woo! Sweet. Drag the boat out the way. Nice.
I couldn't seem to slide as well as y'all.
Yeah, I kind of noticed they looked a little slower. It's probably because it has more of a V shape to the hull. These are more flat on the bottom. Oh yeah. Dude, Bailey's just going, look at it. He almost lost his hat. Hey, you got some speed.
I did, yeah.
You actually came off the blue. Yeah, Ethan's coming. Nice, nice, nice. We're all here. Here comes Todd. Is it just me or does his kayak look extra flat in the front? Yeah, looks extra flat. He got a wide boy. Nice. Sweet.
That's fun. Do a burnout.
You know,
Swear to God.
Drive on here, that bag can't get off right there. When it drive down,
Oh shit. All right, I'm gonna get in this cold ass water. Whew. At least it's sunny out there. All right. Oh yeah, water's good and chilly. Hell yeah. Fellas, everyone's got to get on.
Hey. Harder, not harder. For working that knob. Hey.
Good job, Bailey. Yeah. Yeah. Look at Todd. Nice. Nice. Yeah, man, that sitting side's gonna be a bitch to get in. Just don't flip.
I'm right behind you, solid.
All right.
Oh, this is cool.
There you go. You got it. All right.
Not bad, Reese.
We're all in. Good job, fellers. We made it. We fucking made it, boys. So if we catch a turtle, we're gonna put it in that well, right? He said, fuck you.
Maximum difficulty, and if they survive, then it's easy.
Maximum difficulty. Just out here collecting shots. Man, you can really just lay back on these things. This is insane. He said, I got the...
my work cooler.
Oh, my bad.
Ooh. Man, trying to get my hot dog.
Man, look at that aluminized wiener.
Actually, wait, this is the one that does.
So how'd you cook them?
In the oven.
In the oven. You got a bun on that? You got the condiments?
Yeah.
Ready to go.
It's like underneath the hot dog, in between that and the bun.
Ready to rock. God dang. We're just enjoying the river. Look at this river.
Children.
Children?
Sorry, there's my wife.
Damn. Damn. I didn't know we were allowed to bring guns.
It's boom, boom, firepower. That's Arnold Schwarzenegger. High school.
Now become a goal that everyone just finds the shallowest spot on a rock. Bailey's winning right now.
It's like
Up to his ankles.
There's a spot right here. I think we're trying to get obstacles for the next group coming through.
Hey, yeah, should we just like stand here and as they come through, just grab their kayaks and not let them go? Feel like, no, it's too dangerous.
So I'll go down first, so we don't end up. I want to see that one.
Oh shit, it got deep. Fell off a little bit. So,
Yep, I'm on rock. Right
yeah, I feel the rock, yeah. So there's like sort of a peak right there.
Oh, I'm coming up one.
Yep, there's sort of a peak right there. So that, yeah, that's looking pretty prime. This is gonna go probably right back down and then right back up, yeah.
Oh boy.
Oh boy is right, shit.
Oh boy.
Oh shit, Todd found the hole.
Got it.
He found the channel. He found the hole.
It was smooth.
Yeah, I think so.
That was really smooth. It just let me down. That's gentle.
So what are you, about waist deep there? Did you feel the
It
bottom?
was to here.
Oh shit, dude, he found torso deep. Wait, dude, that means
The reason I didn't go all the way under is because I caught the rock.
that means you could jump off right there.
I'm scared.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Who's got a motor?
There's a house up there on the left on the bank.
Well,
All right, we got the boys about to go down our first rapid. It's just up,
not even pointed the right direction yet.
just over the.
We're going the wrong way. Bailey's going that way. Reese is back here. I don't know what I'm doing.
Tis what it tis. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 turtles.
Oh, look at them boys.
There's 6 turtles right here.
They be chilling.
That's awesome. And they just kind of look like rocks. Oh, oh, he's moving. He's moving. Go on, jump in, jump in. Yeah, I made him jump in. Hell yeah. Come on down. Nice. Nice.
You get ready for it?
He's gonna. Nope, it didn't go under. It didn't go under. Hell yeah. You're gonna broadside. Nice. You wanna be careful with that broadsiding. You gotta be careful going down sideways. Sometimes that'll flip you. This is the second part right here. Woo! Oh! I saved it. Reese! Don't sink! Hell yeah. Hell yeah, boys.
Guess I want to just sit down.
Dang on Reese. I'm draining that dang on sentence side right there. Yeah. Oh no, I dropped a cracker.
Cracker down.
Cracker down. Cracker down. Brother! Blow the dust off, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes you just gotta eat a cracker. Turn up, Bailey. Turn up. Yeah, little baby rabbits. Little baby rabbits. Woo! Yeah, a little bit of a white cat. Oh, yeah. And just like that, we survived. Got all the okay, you two right now, fight to the death. No. There's a rock. It's not deep. Everyone sat down at the same time. I was like, nope.
Underwater concussion.
Dude, I just hit a rock, bro.
On a rock.
It's a very interesting POV. This is fucking insane. Ridiculous. All right, here we go. Oh shit. Yes, sir. Pretty sweet. Good stuff, boys. Good stuff. And there's Bailey. Yep, we're all alive. All right, time to explore a fucking rock. Hey, somebody see if it's deep enough to jump.
It's not.
Okay.
I looked at it earlier.
Definitely not deep enough.
You can get it. I mean,
Cannibal, like right here.
Belly flop.
Go out. Only tap your ass on
and just
I don't trust you know, not breaking my spine.
squat would be
big rocks right here, so.
It's cool for a, you got it. Cool for a sit and not so much a jumping.
Right to there.
Yeah. Down there with Bailey. Watch this. Hold on. Here we go. We're gonna do some body surfing. Ah. Ah. Whee! Oh yeah, body surfing. Oh. Oh shit. Oh. Oh fuck.
I knew you felt that.
Yeah, you gotta stay flat, bro. Oh shit. Look at Bailey. You gotta go down right here. No, Todd, you gotta go right here. Woo! Yeah, you gotta go down the middle. Hey Todd, paddle to the sand. Over there. Yep, there it is. There goes the sitting side. Dude, I knew he was gonna flip, bro. I knew that was gonna happen. Dude, that's actually, you can actually go down that. That's actually the highest I've ever seen it. The water's not usually this high. All right, we went down the waterfall. Todd's down there, Ethan's down there. Yeah, and the boys over there. Woo! Bailey! Hey, check it out! Ready? Watch this! It came off my head, but I saved it.
Hey, Todd, you want to feel a huge helmet? Well, as soon as I move right there,
Found some wild geese. Some goosery. Look at the geese. Goose. Geese. We're trying to, I'm stuck on a rock. Stuck between a rock and a wet place. There we go. Yeah. Oh shit. I'm gonna go left here. Yeah, it's shallow right here, man. We're gonna bottom out a lot. Oh my God. I feel like I'm digging more than I'm paddling. Where the... Hey. Absolutely. How about you? Nice, nice. Where is Bailey? There he is. No, is that him? That's not him. I can't tell.